And that connection is literally insane. I'm gonna lean out and I'm gonna expose that lat from the very basically first part of the movement. I already have emphasis in the lat because I'm leaning out. Now, if I was here, it's on, but when you come here, you see that fucker like light up. And that's always what I'm finding, is I wanna find where my lat or my target muscle group is most stretched acutely. So it's good here, but it's great here. So what I have now is good mind muscle connection before even starting that first rep. And now I'm gonna dig in. Supinated. Reaching around the bench, pulling that same movement arc here, kind of coming forward and then down and back.